How to Write a Winning Business Plan, a step-by-step guide. Welcome to Exquisite Glamour. If you're looking to turn your business idea into reality or want to enhance your existing business, creating a comprehensive business plan is crucial. In today's video, we're walking you through the process of writing a winning business plan from start to finish. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner, these tips will help you craft a plan that's clear, actionable, and persuasive. Let's dive into the essential components of a business plan and how to make each section work for you. 1. Executive Summary. The executive summary is the first and most crucial part of your business plan. It provides a concise overview of your business and serves as a snapshot of what's to come. Start by describing your business idea, including your business name, location, and the products or services you offer. Highlight your mission statement, which outlines your company's purpose and values. Include a summary of your business goals and how you plan to achieve them. Finally, provide a brief overview of your financial projections and funding requirements. Remember, this section should be compelling and engaging as it sets the tone for the rest of your business plan. 2. Company Description. In the Company Description section, dive deeper into the details of your business. Explain what your company does, the market needs it addresses, and your business model. Describe your business structure, whether it's a sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, or corporation. Provide information on your business history, if applicable, and outline your vision and goals. Include details about your location, facilities, and the advantages of your business and its market. This section should paint a clear picture of your business and why it stands out from the competition. 3. Market Analysis. A thorough market analysis demonstrates that you understand your industry and target market. Start by researching and analyzing your industry's current state and future outlook. Identify key trends, market size, and growth potential. Next, define your target market by demographics, psychographics, and buying behavior. Analyze your competitors by identifying their strengths and weaknesses, market positioning, and pricing strategies. This section should show that you've conducted extensive research and that your business is well-positioned to succeed in the market. 4. Organization and Management. The Organization and Management section outlines your business's organizational structure and introduces your management team. Include an organizational chart that illustrates the hierarchy within your company. Describe the roles and responsibilities of key team members, highlighting their qualifications and expertise. Provide brief biographies of your management team and any advisors or board members, emphasizing their relevant experience. This section should convey that your business has a capable and experienced team in place to drive its success. 5. Products or Services. In this section, provide a detailed description of the products or services your business offers. Explain how your offerings meet the needs of your target market and what differentiates them from competitors. Discuss the life cycle of your products or services, including any plans for future development or innovation. If applicable, include information about intellectual property, such as patents or trademarks. Highlight any unique features or benefits that give your products or services a competitive edge. This section should demonstrate that your offerings are well-developed and positioned for success. 6. Marketing and Sales Strategy. Your marketing and sales strategy outlines how you plan to attract and retain customers. Start by defining your marketing objectives and the strategies you'll use to achieve them. Discuss your branding approach, including your brand identity and messaging. Outline your promotional tactics, such as advertising, content marketing, and social media. Describe your sales strategy, including your sales channels, pricing model, and sales process. Include information on customer acquisition and retention strategies, as well as any partnerships or collaborations that will help drive growth. This section should show that you have a clear plan for reaching and engaging your target audience. 7. Operational Plan. The operational plan details the day-to-day operations of your business. Describe your production process, including how you will source materials, manage inventory, and deliver products or services. Outline your location and facilities, and discuss any equipment or technology you will need. Provide information on your supply chain management and any logistics involved in running your business. Include details on staffing requirements, including roles, responsibilities, and hiring plans. This section should demonstrate that you have a practical and well-organized approach to running your business efficiently. 8. Financial projections. Financial projections are a critical component of your business plan, as they provide insight into your business's financial viability. Start with an overview of your financial assumptions, including revenue forecasts, expense estimates, and funding requirements. Include detailed financial statements, such as profit and loss statements, cash flow statements, and balance sheets, for the next 3 to 5 years. Provide a break-even analysis to show when your business will start generating profits. Discuss your funding strategy, including any loans, investments, or grants you plan to seek. This section should illustrate that your business is financially sound and capable of achieving its financial goals. 9. Funding request. If you're seeking funding, the funding request section outlines your financial needs and how you plan to use the funds. Specify the amount of funding you're requesting and provide a breakdown of how the funds will be allocated. Describe any potential sources of funding, such as loans, investors, or grants. Include information on the terms of the funding and how it will impact your business's ownership and financial structure. This section should convey that you have a clear and compelling case for why you need the funding and how it will contribute to your business's success. 10. Appendices. The appendices section includes any additional information that supports your business plan but doesn't fit into the main sections. This can include resumes of key team members, legal documents, detailed market research, product photos, or technical specifications. Use this section to provide supplementary material that enhances your business plan and provides further detail. Ensure that the appendices are well organized and referenced appropriately throughout the business plan. Thank you for watching our comprehensive guide on writing a winning business plan. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Exquisite Glamour for more valuable business insights and tips. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. Best of luck with your business plan, and see you in the next video.